Today's topic is about sorting in Excel. Sorting, that is like organizing your data, the collected data or the data you entered in your Excel. There is a need for like organizing for easy identification and working with that data. So let us assume you have data. Now you entered data, you collect data, you have multiple sheets, you are dealing with workbook, different workbooks. You need to organize your data within a workbook on different sheets. So woba data mungi like you can imagine you have different items on one sheet. You need to like sort. What is sorting? Sorting is to arrange data alphabetically or numerically or based on a specific criteria in ascending or descending order. For instance, when data ngamungi, you need to arrange. You are dealing with performance. You need to arrange your data so that you can easily see that these are the best performers or the least performers and so on. So data yet go cover sorted just because we need what we call easy comparison within that data or is maybe identification of some trend in your work. For example, I may say I have a business, I need to see the best performer. So if I need to show that, then I need to sort my data either from the greatest to from largest to smallest, then or to largest to maybe from largest or smallest to largest. Or if I'm dealing with something like a student, I need to arrange them in alphabetical order. That is the arrangement from A up to Z according to their name, the first letter on their name. So I can sort the name, I can sort the column for their name in alphabetical order from A maybe to Z or from Z to A. In Excel has that tool which is there for us to organize our data. How? If you click inside a column maybe containing text, Excel will just know that this is a text and will give you option. Sort this one from A to Z or from Z to A. If you don't want that one, then it will give you another option of custom list. That is like you want to set your own list regardless of the order. You want to set your own criteria and present there. So Excel can give you that freedom. If you click in the column, you want to sort the data according to a column containing a number. Excel will just identify that you are inside the column which is having values, so you can only sort from largest to smallest or from smallest to largest, or you can set what you call custom list. You wanna see what is you need, what is your list maybe for your own interest. We shall see that one more in more details in a practical part of Excel. Let us go ahead and we see types of sorting. They said we can as sort alphabetical, then arrange that is data ascending or descending order based on alphabetical characters. Numerical sorting, organize data in ascending or descending order based on the numerical value, that is from largest to smallest or from smallest to largest. Then custom sorting, applying a specific criteria and rule to sort data in custom order or catering for the unique needs. So here under custom sorting, I said you can write your own list. I would like, regardless of the order of the letter, I would like to begin with this. For instance, you have 10 names having A and the others they have B. Regardless of A being the first, you may require to start with B. So you can say there your own list and the first letter B instead of A. So that is how we can sort by custom, that is setting our own criteria or setting our own list, or we can put there our own data, maybe tell the computer what we want to sort and depending on our interest. So that is the steps of sorting. So from there we have what we call the importance of sorting Excel. Enhance visibility, data analysis, then improve the efficiency. I think those one they are very, very clear. Enhanced visibility, which means you can easily trend that this is from this to this, the biggest from this to smallest. Data analysis, you can easily analyze and maybe understand, that is understanding. Organizing data logically, making it easier to find specific information and identifying, that is enhanced visibility. Then data analysis, identifying a pattern and trend in data by grouping similar information together, aiding in insightful analysis. Then improve the efficiency, streamline data management, making it quicker to find and use information, improving overall worker flow. Then let us go to our Excel and we see what we can do in sorting. So that is what we call sorting in theoretical part. Let us go to our Excel and we see what can we, maybe what is the exactly the meaning of maybe Excel and where can we find a sort tool in Excel. For instance, I've opened this. I have channel, I have product, I have date, I have value. So let me highlight this one. I try to make them distinct. I can increase their font to make them column headings and they stand out from other information. So I can even adjust their to auto fit their column width. Then from there I can try to apply maybe this column, it is date. I make sure I go here and make them date, but this time I'll use date, short date. Then this column is in date. This one is I can see this is currency, so let me go and apply counting or currency. So from there I can see this is text. I can go there and go to number format. I look for more option, then I make sure this is text and I apply text. So even here I can see this column is having maybe it is text. I can go here and go under more number format, then I look for the word text and apply. So this one is text, this one is text, this one is date, this one is value. We can confirm from here. From there, let me delete this one. From there I would like from there I would like to sort. For instance, this is our data. I would like to sort according, firstly to sort depending on this channel, but this time around I would like to Excel to arrange for me. So no, I would like the Excel to arrange me in alphabetical, that is from A, something which is having A must be the first one instead of beginning with W. So with this I can just come here in the column of channel. I just select any cell and make it active. Any cell in that column, I just select anywhere in this column. I can right click, then I come, there is what you call sort from A to Z. If I don't want that one, selecting in column, that column, I can go to home tab, then there is under group called editing, there is what you call sort and filter. If I click here, I can see the options of sorting from A to Z or Z to E. If I don't want that one, just within that column which I want to sort, I can even go to data tab, then there is what you call option, this one, A to Z or Z to A. So for me, I've just decided to use sort for right click, then I'll come here and say I'd like A to Z. So you can see all those words with A will be the first, C, S, then W last. So that is how we can set, we can sort according to A to Z. We can decide to say no, that one I'm not satisfied, let us sort from Z to A, which means W first, then store second, then last A. So when I click inside here, then right click, I can say Z to A. You will see the what arrangement will change, W first, then like that. So this is how we can set, we can select our maybe work and we apply sort in that manner. So for instance, I want to sort value. When you click inside the value, right click, sort, Excel will identify that you're in the value column. It will bring, instead of bring A to Z, it will bring sort from largest to, from smallest to largest, or from largest to smallest. That is this one is the ascending, this one descending. So I can decide to sort like that, or I can decide to right click here and sort from largest to smallest. Accordingly, your choice or what they have asked. So when I click in the column which is having date and I want to sort, I can right click there. You will see sort from oldest to newest, or from newest to oldest. Depending where you want to sort, Excel will just identify and give you the best option. You can say here we are dealing with date, so instead of bring A to Z, no, it is bringing oldest to newest, then newest to oldest. So that is how Excel is. So you can select any and sort like that. I think that one clear. So when you sort like that is okay, then that is okay. From there we have what we call sorting by multiple. Maybe you would like to sort, but depending on certain criteria, or because we said we can sort by the types of sort, we saw that we can sort by that is alphabetical, we saw that one. then numerical, we saw that one. Let us go for custom and we see what is custom, because there were 3 types we looked about. First one was numerical and it was alphabetical. This is where you just come in a column which is having text, right click and sort. It will bring A to Z or Z to A. Then numerical, that is when you take your cursor and highlight in a column containing values and right click there, you go to sort. You will see from largest or to smallest or from smallest to largest. That is numerical. From that is the same thing, that is like numerical, that is a category of numerical. Then we would like to see the custom sorting. So let us just click inside this work and we go to data tab, then we click here. We shall are able to get this custom sorting dialog box, which will pop up and ask to maybe fill in something. If you don't have data tab, you just right click inside your work, go to sort. Down here there is what you call custom sort. Click there, you will get the same thing. If that one is hard, let us close. Then go to home tab, make sure you're inside your work, just click anywhere in your work, go to home tab, then come here where there is sort and filter. You will get the same option of custom list. We shall get this pop up and we shall be able to fill in our maybe what we are going to learn from here. So when you want to use custom sort, what is required? First of all, make sure your work is having headings. These are the heading: channel, product, date, and this. So my data is having headings over headers. So if it is like that and you have headers, it's okay. Make sure this one is ticked. That is the first thing when you're gonna use custom sort. After there is what you call column sort on, then order. Here we can select a column which we want to depend on and sort. The other first one, we just went to the column and we select any cell, but here we are gonna select multiple columns and we sort at the same time. Twagala selecting a column ya channel, product, ni date oba ni cell, provided wali tubadde tusobola sorting one by one at a time, but here we can sort even multiple list. We can sort channel, product, date at the same time, depending on which you want to start to sort, which will become first. Choyagala kibeere sorted at first, you select that one first. So for instance, my choice, I want to begin with the cell value. I want to begin sorting by the column which is having cell value. So I'll come to column, I come here, the drop down. Obviously, if this one is ticked, it will bring the headings here. So when you click here, you will be able to see the name which is here. So if this one is ticked, all your name as headings will come as headers here, and you'll be able to select. So to me, I would like to begin with this one. So I'll select sales value. From there, sort on cell value. Cell value, it means here, when you click here, there are more options, but cell value, it means what is inside the cell. I would like to sort according to the content which is inside the cell. For now, I don't have cell color, I don't want to blend on font, I don't have condition for this one, and I don't have them. So let me be on a default setting of cell value which is inside the cell. So this one is clear. From here, the order, do you want from smallest to largest or from largest to smallest? To me, I will decide to use what you call large to smallest. So when I click like that, I would say this is finished. But under here, there's what you call add level, delete level, copy level. So to me, I would like to add level. I would like to sort another level, another thing. I would like to sort another column. This time I would like to sort a column called channel. So I will add the level. Over here set to set sorted by, then by. So first this one, then they will sort again this one secondly. So let me go to column and select what I want. I said I want channel. So according this one is okay. Then this is a text. The obvious option is A to Z, or I can say no, I'd like Z2, or I can put what you call custom list. Custom list is like you wanna form your own order. You don't want to follow that one of A to Z or Z to A. You want to form your own order. By typing there, it will accept that. So for now, let us go to AZ, Z to A. Then we can add another, and we can sort even product depending how many you want to sort. So go to column, then select what you want, then you select save value, then new to, maybe this is the oldest to new, then click OK. If you click OK, they will be sorted by depending which one first. This one will be first, second, then third. When we finish, then we click OK. Everything will be sorted accordingly. Let us see how we can sort according to some selection. We have this guy called Ayub Bossa M, very big, 300. Let us go and put some colors in this column, and we see this is Bossa is Ayub, first name Bossa, last name is Bossa, male, gender, then very big size of shoes, then 30 maybe $30,000. So let us highlight this guy with easy ID number, which is 134515. We put certain color like yellow. Maybe let us choose another color. I think this one can work better. Then we go to another person. We have this guy Paul Mukembo. We try to select him, then we put certain color like green. We can say Paul is this and this and it. So the reason why I'm highlighting like this, I want to show you something. When we sort data, what happened to the adjacent, or yes, the neighborhood data, or the neighborhood column, or the adjacent column. So if I'm to go to my home tab, or if I want to sort according to the size of shoes, I would like to identify what will happen to this column, this column. Let's click. Maybe let me come here to this column. I right click there. I go to sort. I want from Z, maybe from A to Z. What will happen? Let us look for the guy called Ayub, and we see this is Ayub. We can see Ayub has shifted from, maybe this was up here but has shifted to down, but has come with everything he had before. He had 30, I think, was baby, male, and everything. So when you click in any column, just clicking in any column, and you sort the entire column, the entire content will shift. So what happens if we just select these two column up to down, and we sort this data? What, let us see. Right click there, sort from maybe largest to smallest. What will happen? You can see Ayub is here, and was Ayub Bossa, but I can see Ayub is here. Where is Bossa? I don't know where is Bossa. So Bossa is here, which means they have just sorted this one. They left this part unsorted. So be careful when you are sorting data. Don't select, just click where you want to sort. It will come automatically. You can see now our data is disorganized. Ayub was Bossa. Now Ayub, this one is like you have lost the trend of the data. So be careful when you are sorting. This is another maybe another part. Let us try to do undo, and so that will make this guy in the proper way. I think now is yes, Ayub Bossa. So when you want to sort, the first step, just look for the column you want to depend on sorting. If you want gender, just come here, right click, don't do anything like selection, sort. Automatically everything will shift, it will work on itself. So that is how we sort. So let us assume we have something here and we would like to sort these things like here, and I have something maybe I have my data here which is not matching with that of the one in that table, but is next to this one. I would like to sort this. I would like to sort this data, but I don't want to tamper with this one. But if I come here and I sort this one, right click, sort, you will see even this data has been shifted and they have sorted this data, which is not the case. I don't want this one to happen. So what I want is just to keep this data separate from this one. So from the, if I want to do that, I can do, let me try to do undo. Then the first thing, I can separate this data from this one. I right click, I put another column which is empty, and I separate. Let me try to move that format. Then if I want to sort this one, then it will not affect this one. So if I come here and I sort, right click, I go to sort, maybe this time it will not affect this one, it will remain the way it was. So another thing, I can just select this, the entire work, then I can sort. Normally it will not affect, it will just sort what I've selected. That is another trick. Thanks for that.